Hey, it's Gadget Life again. Just wanted to make another video for those of you that have the Intimidator GC1K and might have a 2018 or basically any model before 2019 as I'm told. And if you want to put in a reverse light from Bad Dog or anywhere, there's no plug back here. But there is a workaround. In talking with Intimidator, I found out that there is a wire in the dash that can be connected to a relay, and it's connected kind of backwards. The actual trigger is a ground, so you need basically a constant power, and then the ground is triggered by your reverse. There's a wire here, that's your ground. So when you put it in reverse, which is in running, it will trigger this. There's park, click into reverse, click into park. So you may have noticed that my screen looks a little different than yours. That's because I've had the firmware updated. In order to make this ground wire activate, you're going to need to see your dealer about getting the firmware on the head unit updated. Well, here's a quick rundown of the relay I'll be using for my setup. 85 and 86 are for the electromagnet, number 30 is your primary power, and 87A and 87 are your outputs. 87A being normally closed, 87 being normally open. So I will run a fused line to number 30 with enough strength to run all the lights I need. Then I'll jumper that over to 86 so that the electromagnet has power. Now it will also need a ground to trigger, so number 85 will be connected over to this red wire with the white stripe. It's the only wire in there with the white stripe. And then 87 will go out to my reverse lights. So basically, in a normal situation, you would think you've got a ground wire and then you've got a switch that would send a hot signal to your electromagnet. In this case, it's just backwards. You've always got the hot on there and you're giving it a ground. Same thing, you're connecting the circuit. It's just backwards. But your main output is still forwards. So if you have questions, let me know.